Introducing Alex Vieira, a legend for many, a visionary for others, and a mentor above all. Let's look at some of his work. I discuss his aim, the benefits individuals and companies have experienced, and how you can use his insight. Alex shares his vision with those aspiring to succeed while shaping the future together. He knows that you can conquer your fears and excel, building a happier and more fulfilling future by collaborating on actual projects. Alex turns useless complexity into valuable simplicity. For example, investing is a simple game in which financial advisors convince the public that it is more complex than it is. Alex has published over 65,000 case studies since 1989, helping thousands by sharing his insight and principles. In addition, he discusses geopolitics, finance, technology, and new trends.
Hi, today I'm going to briefly comment about digital world, answering to investors' questions. That is the main reason for this intervention. And I'm going to start by the first one. Bear in mind that recently I made public this on the trial that you have on the autonomous AI bot, one more trade alert, 100% accurate. Recommendation to sell shares at $95 digital world. Okay? So the reason to buy the shares here, $37, $38, all the way back to 95. I don't recommend you to buy above this price. I recommend, in fact, to get rid of digital world because I consider this a very highly speculative instrument. Therefore, this is not, in my personal opinion, even if the share price continues moving higher, and it has been within an uptrend, as you can see, and while the stock market has been tech stocks, crashing, melting, this has proven to be, in fact, very resilient. But the reasons are precisely addressed in all my presentations. So I already answered at least a couple of questions. So other question that people they had is why they should, for example, sell short the stock. It's going to pretty much depend, like I said, on your time frame. Okay? Notice that I was very clear saying, very short term, you are unlikely to see this collapsing. Okay? So this sold off to $77, then bounced back. You can see it here. In fact, made again a new high. And this new high, that the $99 that you see here, so a price above at 95, 96, in my opinion, it is a reason for you to reverse to the short side. So what I'm going to write it here is precisely that. So instead of buying on weakness, we now, reverse. Regardless, on this the day that got 99, and this because I already told you that you have this, in fact, it's free, 100% free on social media, also on the other trial. We no longer have a long position. I refuse to invest in this company. Moreover, there are here things, political, geopolitical, and so on, that I consider of the utmost importance, but I'm not going to discuss. Okay. So this is what I wanted to say. That my comments previous, selling everything 95, they prevail, they remain. I told you, so I'm repeating myself. Moreover, reverse into the short side on strength. And then if you ask, well, but this, if for some reason goes back to $100 or higher, how do you, deal with it? No problems whatsoever, my friend.